Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. The topic is less and more. Less mean thoda, kam, and more mean zyada. Circle the books that are more. वो किताबें जो ज़्यादा हैं उन पे सर्कल करें. Circle the flowers that are more in numbers. Circle the objects that are more in numbers. Which objects are more? Circle them. Like the video and subscribe the channel. Circle the things that are more in number. Now we have to do the same topic in different way. Draw more things. Draw more objects than the given. The given objects are 3. We have to make more than 3 objects. There are 5 umbrellas. Draw more than 5. These are 2 cakes. We have to make more than 2 cakes. Again we are moving towards the circles. Circle the less things. The objects that are less, circle them. Circle the less objects. Crabs are more in number and the snails are less. So we have to circle the snails. There are 4 gifts and 2 Xmas trees. We have to circle the less. The less objects are trees. Which objects are less? Circle them. Now we have to draw less objects. The candies are 6. We have to make less candies than 6. There are 8 cups of tea. We have to make less cup of teas. Now we have changed the method. We have to cross the things that are more. Lollipops are more in number. We have to cross them. There are 3 gifts and 5 ribbons. We have to cross more things. Cross the flowers that are more in numbers. Red flowers are 6 and pink flowers are 8. We have to cross the pink flowers. There are 9 birthday caps and 5 balloons. We have to cross more objects. Birthday caps are more objects. Rainbows are more in numbers. We have to cross them. Now the method is changed here. We have to take the less things. The things that are less in numbers, take them. Rockets are more in number, so we have to take the less objects. Roosters are more in number and the hatching chicks are less in number. They are 5, we have to take them. There are 3 burgers and 2 popcorns. We have to take the less things. Popcorns are less. There are 7 suns and 5 moons. Take the less things, less objects. The moons are less objects, so take the moons. I hope you understand the concept of less things and more things. The things that are more in numbers, that are increased in number, and the things that are less in numbers.